Hi friends, I am Vaibhav Bajaj. I joined Akash IIT JEE in 2016 with the aim to crack JEE. I enrolled for the 5-year classroom course.
तो यहाँ भी -3 आया होता, so we'll write -3 also. Reason is because
The classroom sessions at Akash are very engaging. Each and every topic is explained in detail and step-by-step manner for a better understanding. Teachers at Akash are very supportive. Even complex concepts are explained to us in a very simple manner. They guide, mentor and motivate us in each and every session so that we could perform better in our future exams. Akash provides comprehensive study material wherein each and every chapter and topic is explained in easy to understand language. It includes different kind of questions of all the possible varieties that can be asked in JEE exams. Questions from previous year JEE papers are also included to familiarize us with the exam pattern of JEE. Additionally, we are also provided the rank boosters, question banks and various other books which plays an instrumental role in improving our rank. Rigorous testing in the form of fortnightly tests, term tests, subjective tests and All India Akash Test Series, that is AIATS, takes place. These tests help us to identify our performance and track our progress. The discussions after these tests also helps us to identify which all mistakes we did and how to improve upon them. The AIATS is a great platform to compete with Akashians as well as non-Akashians at a national level and to evaluate our weakness in areas and how to improve upon them. Akash iTutor provides recorded video lectures. Whenever I had any doubt or I missed the online classes or just simply I wanted to revise, I could easily replay the entire topic or chapter on the Akash iTutor. It was extremely helpful in the lockdown as well. Sometimes I couldn't attend the online classes beyond my reasons of control, so I could easily replay it on the Akash iTutor app.
So in 3-dimensional geometry, we need to visualize first and then only we can answer the question. So when a line is given parallel to a plane, okay, so the line is like this and the plane is like this. So the vector along the line will be perpendicular to the normal of the plane.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Doubt sessions offer an opportunity to interact with the subject experts and clarify all our doubts one-to-one. The library at Akash was very helpful in my JEE journey. Whenever I needed any book, be it of Indian author or any foreign author, there was never a need to buy from the market. I could simply get it issued from the Akash library and study from it. With the COVID-19 pandemic situation resulting into lockdown and closure of all the educational institutions, webinars helped us a lot in these times. They were inspiring, engaging and very informative. They shared a lot of things about various time management skills, exam preparation tips and also health related issues. JEE is conducted in CBT mode. So, in order to be JEE ready, we need to be CBT ready as well. Akash understands that. So, it has launched the Akash CBT program. It simulates the exact real exam scenario in order to feel more comfortable in the real JEE exam. It is only the Akash through which I have achieved the Akash in my field of study, that is, achieve the heights of success. I suggest every aspirant to join Akash in the initial stage only if one really wants to achieve success. I am very thankful to the Akash team, especially my teachers, for teaching me so well that I can perform great in every sphere of my life wherever I would go.